Okay, in this tutorial we're going to take a look at the concept of autocoding. Autocoding is where you take content of a source, it could be from your topic guide, by using a simple formatting, which is a standard Word technique. We can extract, in this case these questions are numbered, but think of that more as a theme, professional perspective on Down East, that everybody's going to be asked at some point during the interview, beginning, middle or end. And some people will respond, some people won't, some people will give long answers or not. And what we're going to do with this is by putting in a heading style, simply making these a particular style, heading 1, we're going to code automatically all of our responses to professional perspective Down East and indeed all our other topics. Now to do that, we're going to first create a folder in our nodes which we're going to call prompted responses, because these are all prompted. And that's where we're going to put the codes. We'll go back to our sources. And we're not going to worry about the media files now, though we can auto-code all of the media files, images, sound, audio and indeed video. And these yellow icons here are pure transcripts, so we're going to just use them for this example. Select them, right click and autocode. And the heading styles that are in those particular documents are displayed. We're going to gather at the top level everything around a topic, including subtopics, all gathered together to make it a simple example to start with. And we're going to make a new node, and we're going to call the node example of topic guide autocoded. Don't like the term autocoding. It suggests you're allowing the computer to actually code data, but this is more like pre-ordering the data. And if it works, well then we've tested our instrument from the field and we can show that there's a direct relationship between our research question, our topic guide and our preliminary coding. And that's all we're doing. We're pre-ordering the data as opposed to coding it per se. And I'm going to put that coding in our prompted responses. I'm going to aggregate the parent node as well so that we get everything at the top level and say OK to that. And NVivo will now run through those interviews, and you can see there's 11 of them, and it's done it. And if I go to my nodes, prompted responses, there's my questions all coded. You can see there's a problem here because question 6 has been expressed differently in one of the interviews. Barriers to and opportunities for achieving your vision. Barriers to opportunities for achieving your vision. And or are. So that's an error in the transcribing, which we can easily fix by simply cutting and merging. And we have all our responses. So if I open up question 1, connections Down East, I get to see everything Barbara said about our connections Down East. And indeed everything that Charles said as well, and all of the various sources started the interview and so forth. And that gives me a view of how successful my topic guide was, that I discuss all of these things in the various interviews, regardless of whether they come up in different orders, and the degree to which I can now start, rather than spending my day looking for references to people's connections Down East, I now spend my day coding on and interpreting people's connection Down East. I've let the computer do the administrative tasks for me.